Hi friends, we all know that English is the language used all over the world. I have developed English learning software which you can use to improve your English 10 times faster. Let me log into my application and explain you some of its important features. First of all, it is a desktop application. Second one is it is artificially intelligence powered. Third one is this application is running offline, which means it does not need internet connection. Without internet connection, it can run anywhere in the world. You can go to a forest area and you can use this application. Fourth feature is you don't need any subscription, monthly or yearly, to run this application. Once you have it, it's all yours. This application has total 8 features. Almost all the features are running without need of internet connection. There are total 8 features. Let me go to the Panchatantra story section first and explain you. If you go to the table of contents, here see there are total 59 stories available from Panchatantra. We know this in Panchatantra, Pandit Vishnu Sharma explains 5 different techniques for a successful life. Each has there are total 5 sections: the gaining of friends, the separation of friends, of crows and owls, loss of gains, ill-considered actions. It will help you to improve your English. In the same time, it will teach you the life lessons. You can choose any story, for example, the elephants and the king of mice. Okay, so here you have the story. Here you have the story. Okay, it is also showing you the category, the gaining of friends. You can go to the next previous story and the next story. And the important thing is on the go, you will get the meanings of the English words and their pronunciation. And also you can break a complex English paragraph into very simple one. Let me select on a word and right click on it. You have two options. You will get two options. One is the pronunciation and the get word meaning. So if I click on get word meaning, now I have clicked on the word called abundant. See, it is going to show you the meaning of the abundant. Contextual meaning means it will not show you an irrelevant meaning of the word. A word can have multiple meanings, but it will show you the suitable meaning. Now you are seeing abundant refers to something that has been left or deserted, often without care or maintenance. So now I got the meaning. So in this way you can click on any of these words and get the meanings. And second thing is you can click on the words and get the pronunciation. Let me click on this one.
Abandoned.
Yes, I got the pronunciation. And another important thing is you can speak it. Speak a sentence.
In a village devastated by a massive earthquake, the abandoned ruins became a haven for countless mice, who flourished in the empty spaces. Nearby, a lake attracted a herd of elephants, who often traversed the village on their way to drink and bathe.
Looks awesome, right? Now, one more important thing is assume that you are reading a complex Shakespeare novel. Definitely, non-native English speakers, it's very difficult to understand Shakespeare's novels. So, assume that you have reading a Shakespeare's novel and you have not understood a paragraph. So what you can do is you can just select this whole group of text and right click on it and you will get an option called simplify text. This will simplify this complete paragraph so that a 10-year-old kid can understand it. See, you got it. Here's an explanation of the text in simple English. A big earthquake made many buildings fall down in a small village, but instead of being hurt or destroyed, some animals found it safe to live there. They built homes and had lots of spaces to play. Nearby, a lake attracted elephants who came to drink and swim. Yes, compare this one. This is the simplified version of the paragraph. You can do to this to any number of words and any number of paragraphs. There is no limitation for it because this application is completely running locally. I'm not going to call any offline cloud services so that it will, when you query and when you send the query, it will, for each query it is going to charge you, but it is completely running locally. That's the important thing is. And after that, you have a grammar book. In the grammar book, I have included all the important building blocks of the English grammar, from nouns to interjections, and then articles, tenses, and idioms and phrases. Each section has theoretical section. Each section has a quiz section. I have included more number of questions in sections where you are going to make a lot of mistakes. For example, in prepositions, people are going to make lot of mistakes. So that's why after the theory, I have included lot of questions. For example, this section involves 44 multiple choice questions. And each section comes with a theory properly formatted. They are color coded so that you can easily remember them. For example, here it is color coded, you can easily remember them. And once you submit the questions, it will show you the correct answers along with explanations. That's all about grammar book. Now there is something called question and answer. This is artificial intelligence powered. So here you can type any questions. It will answer you. Any questions related to English language, it will answer you. For example, you can select this word. Okay, it started answering it. See, the important thing is this application is running locally. It does not need internet connection. Even I switch off this internet connection, it will be generating the answer. Assume that you have this kind of software where you take it to a forest area where there is no internet connection. You can use this application. That is the important thing. See, like it has given the explanation for break the ice. Break the ice is a common idiomatic expression that means to help people get comfortable and socialize with each other, often in a group or situation where they may feel nervous or hesitant. The phrase suggests that by easing tensions and creating a relaxed atmosphere, you can help others open up and interact more freely. Yes, wonderful. You are having such a system which can run locally in your system. Wow. Now, this has given me lot of like explanation, but I don't need that much explanation. So now what I can do is I can copy this one prompt and type it here. I will ask you to answer it in one sentence, one or two sentences, because I can save the time so that it's taking a lot of time to generate the answer. Okay. Wow, wonderful. It understood what I am asking it. It generated the answer in just two sentences. Wonderful. So in this way you can ask any questions friends here in a system which runs locally without needing of an internet connection. Again, see you are having the generated answers here. Once the generated section you have, You have all the features I have showed you in Panchatantra story section. You can click on the word called acquaintance and get the word meaning. Okay, someone trying to be friendly with an unknown person. This is called acquaintance. Okay, okay. Let me now. It got the meaning. Now I don't know how to pronunciate it because my English is very bad, my friends. So I do want to get the pronunciation of it. I can get the pronunciation.
acquaintance,
Yeah, I got the pronunciation. Wonderful. Now you can improve your English listening skills. Just speaking it. It will improve to. It will improve your pronunciation as well as it will improve your listening skills.
breaking the ice is an idiom that means to help someone feel more comfortable and at ease by initiating a conversation, activity, or interaction that allows them to relax and open up. It's often used to describe a situation where someone tries to make a new acquaintance or friend feel more friendly and approachable.
That's wonderful. You have a companion where you can get questions and answers completely offline. Apart from these three features, there are five more features. I will not be going to explain each and every one. I'll give a brief explanation of each and every feature. This grammar and speak section has, you can type something here randomly. Okay, you can type something blah 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 blah, and in your own English, you can ask it to correct grammar. It will make its own effort to correct the grammar, and it will give you a professional version of your sentences. So you can type something randomly, and you will get the corrected version of that one. And another thing is, you can right click on it and convert from text to speech. It will speak it for you. And then the reader section. In the reader section, you can copy and paste the contents from the newspaper, stories, or from any other literature. You will display text. Once you display text, you are going to have all the features available in this application. Friends, this is the chatbot application. This acts like your friend. You can have the conversation with it. Let me ask this software something.
I'm doing well, thank you for asking. It's great to connect with you. Is there anything on your mind that you'd like to talk about or ask? I'm here to listen and provide assistance. What specific areas of English would you like to improve, such as grammar, vocabulary, or pronunciation? You can say how old are you or what's your age to ask someone about their age. You can say can you help me with task or do you know how to help me with something.
That's cool. It's acting like your friend. You can improve your English communication skill a lot using this chatbot. This is, by the way, this is completely running offline without using any internet connection. You don't need any internet connection to run this software. That's awesome. There is something called Novel Reader. So you will be able to load PDFs, uh, novels which are in PDF format, and once you load it, you will be able to get the meanings of the words and the pronunciation and break a complex English paragraph into a simple one. You can speak the complete paragraph. Lot of features. Then there is a web reader. In this web reader, you can copy paste a URL. It will load that website here in this desktop application, and you will be able to get the word meanings, pronunciation, break a complex paragraph into a simple one, etc.